Hi friends and welcome to the fifth part of our chapter similarity. Today we are going to move ahead with some more new concept and your next practice set. But before moving ahead, let us quickly discuss what we have learned till now. Till now we learned the concept of similarity and concept of similar object. Then we learned ratio of area of two triangles in three different way. After that we learned the concept of angle bisector property, concept of basic proportionality theorem, and concept of property of three parallel line and their transversal. Then we solve the sums based on your angle bisector property, your basic proportionality theorem, and property of three parallel line and their transversal. Today we are going to move ahead. Today we are going to deal with the actual concept of your similarity and your similar object. As I told in a very first lecture, in mathematics we are having the similarity between the many polygons, many figures, but in 10th standard we are going to deal only with the triangle. So here in this session we are going to deal with the similarity of the triangle. So our today's topic is similarity between two triangles. So let us move to the concept of similarity between two triangles. As we know that similar objects are those objects who are having the same shape but different size. सिमिलर ऑब्जेक्ट्स वो ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं जिनके शेप्स सेम होते हैं बट उनकी साइज डिफरेंट होती है. एंड इन दिस सेशन वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द ट्रायंगल ओनली एंड योर शेप ऑफ द ट्रायंगल डिपेंड्स ऑन देयर एंगल. योर ट्रायंगल का शेप इट डिपेंड्स ऑन देयर एंगल्स. लेट अस सी. If I am having the one triangle name as the ABC and other triangle name as the PQR. Are they of a same shape? No. Why? Because their angles are different. This is your acute angle triangle where all angle of the triangle will be there your less than 90, and this is your right angle triangle. So it means whenever we are changing the angle value, we are getting the different shape. Suppose we'll take one more triangle, and this is your obtuse angle triangle. I am giving the name XYZ. Is it similar to any of the triangle? Is triangle XYZ is of the same shape of any of the triangle? No. Why no? Because here also we are having the some different kind of the angle. It is your obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle is your more than 90 degree. It means whenever we are changing the value of the angle, we are getting the different shapes. It's not only about the different types of triangle are not similar. If we compare the same type of the triangle, that is also possible. They cannot be similar or they can be similar. Let us see one example. Suppose I am taking the acute angle triangle only. Suppose the name is ABC, where your values are 60, 80 and 40. And second, if I am taking the angle 80, here I took if 70, so here we left with the only 30. So if you observe properly, again we will get a different shape because we have changed the value of the angles. Here we are having the 180 degree angle, but we are having the two different value of the angle 40, 30 and 60, 70, which are not equal. It means whenever we are changing the value of the angle, we will be getting a different shape. Because if we are having the 30 degree angle, so it will be open, suppose this much. If you are having a 60 degree, so it will be open more. If it will be open more, it means it will change the shape of the triangle. So your shape of the triangle will depend on their angle. It means if we have to make two triangles similar, so we have to make all the angle of the triangle same to each other. Suppose if in a first triangle, if we are having the angle 60, 60 and 60, so if we have to make any other triangle same, so their value of the angle should also be the 60, 60, 60 only. We'll take one more example. Suppose if we are having the one triangle which is having the value 90, 45 and 45, 90, 45, 45. So if we have to make some other triangle similar to this triangle, so we have to make that the other triangle value should be the 90, 45 and 45 only. If we change the value of the angle, then it will give a different shape. So your shape of the triangle depends on your एंगल। तो दो ट्रायंगल को अगर सिमिलर प्रूव करना है तो हमें एंगल्स को सेम करने पड़ेंगे। इफ द एंगल्स आर एग्जैक्टली इक्वल देन योर टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर। अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, इफ the angle between two triangles are exactly equal, the angle between two triangles are exactly equal, then they are similar, or else they are not similar. And we can take in a converse way also, if the two triangles are similar, it means there all the angles are of a same value, they are congruent. Again, if we are having the all angles of the two triangles congruent same, then the both the triangles are similar. Or we can take in another way, if the two triangles are similar, it means angle of the both the triangles are congruent same. This is all about the your angle of the triangle. Now let us discuss about the sides. Like an angle, is it required that the side will also be same between both the triangle? No. As we discussed, similar objects are those objects whose shape is same but their size can be different. Their size can be different. So your shape is depends on the angle. It means compulsorily दो similar triangle में angle का same होना जरूरी है ही. But whenever we are talking about the size, it means their side can be up and down. दो value अगर हम लेते हैं, suppose the A, B, C, and the second I am taking the bigger triangle. Suppose here I am writing the value 2, 4, 6, and here I am writing the value again 4, 8, and 12. So are they similar? They can be because in a similar object size doesn't matter. जब size matter ही नहीं करती है, वो छोटा और एक बड़ा हो सकता है, it means दोनों का equal होना जरूरी नहीं है, but it is compulsory that they have to go in a same proportion. उनकी proportional rate जो होती है वो same होनी चाहिए. Suppose if I am doubling this side 2 2 जा 4, I am doubling this side 4 2 जा 8, so तीसरी side भी उसकी double ही होगी. अगर तीनों side का double जा रहा है means it is making the ratio 1:2. इस triangle का वो double है. It means they are going in the same proportion, so they can be a similar. So in terms of the sides, it is not necessary that कि sides same होगी तभी triangle similar होंगे, but it is necessary that उनके ratio, उनके proportion same होने चाहिए. Means अगर वो 5 times है, 10 times है, या 20 times है, या 100 times है of a first triangle, तो उसकी तीनों side उतने ही times होनी चाहिए. Suppose in a first triangle, your first two sides are 10 times लेस देन योर सेकेंड ट्रायंगल, तो आपकी थर्ड साइड जो है उसको भी 10 टाइम लेस ही होना पड़ेगा टू मेक अ ट्रायंगल सिमिलर, और एल्स दे विल नॉट बी अ सिमिलर. सो दिस आर योर होल कॉन्सेप्ट व्हेन टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर. फर्स्ट, when all the angles are similar, when all the angles are same, it means both the triangles are similar. Or in terms of the sides, if all the ratios, all the proportions same, it means your triangles are similar. Let us discuss in more detailed way. So as I told, for making a two triangles similar, either we have to make the all angles same or we have to make the all the side in the same proportion. Let us see with the help of example. Suppose I am having the two triangle, name it the A, B, C and P, Q, R. I have to make these two triangle similar. So I can use the angle property or I can use the side property. First we will see how many elements a triangle have. एक triangle के पास कितने element होते हैं. एक triangle के पास we are having the three angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, and we are having the three sides, side AB, side BC, side AC, AB, BC, AC. मतलब किसी भी triangle के पास we are having the total 6 element, 3 angles and 3 sides, 3 angle and 3 sides. तो total is your 6. Triangle के पास कितने element होते हैं? 6, 3 angles, 3 sides. Out of the 6 element, अगर कोई भी 3, if any 3 element are equal to the your other triangle, it means the both the triangles are similar. But as I told, there are some different way for the angle and for the your sides. अगर मुझे angle को same करना है तो it should be your angle A will be equal to angle P your angle A will be equal to angle P, your B should be equal to angle Q, angle B should be equal to angle Q, and angle C should be equal to angle R. If I am talking about the angle, अगर मैं एंगल की बात कर रहा हूं और दो ट्रायंगल को सिमिलर करना है तो इट मींस मुझे उनके एंगल्स को एग्जैक्टली इक्वल करना पड़ेगा. बट इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द साइड्स, इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द साइड्स, साइड सेम होना जरूरी नहीं है. वी हैव टू टेक इन अ सेम प्रपोर्शन, लाइक ए बी विच इज द करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड ऑफ द ए बी, पी क्यू, ए बी अपॉन पी क्यू, proportion ratio should be equal to BC upon QR, and it should be equal to AC upon PR. This is your terms of sides. So if we have to make the two triangles similar, अगर हम एंगल की प्रॉपर्टीज जा रहे हैं तो हमें एंगल को एग्जैक्टली इक्वल करना पड़ेगा. बट इफ वी आर गोइंग थ्रू द साइड्स तो साइड को इक्वल करने की जरूरत नहीं है. वी हैव टू मेक द रेशियो इक्वल, उनके रेशियो को इक्वल करने की जरूरत है. सो इफ विल मेक द एंगल सेम और इफ वी विल मेक द रेशियो ऑफ द साइड सेम, इट मींस वी कैन प्रूव दैट द टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर. So for proving the similarity between the two triangles, we are having the some tests which are based on your angle and your side property only. Let us discuss those tests. So we are having the three tests to prove the similarity between the two triangles. First is AA test. AA means angle angle. Second is your SSS. SSS means side side side. And third one is your SAS means side angle side. So first we will discuss about the first AA test. AA test होता क्या है? AA means your angle angle. Whenever two triangles are given to us, as I discussed, अगर हमने उसके तीनों एंगल को सेम कर दिए तो we can say that कि both the triangles are similar. What I told, if we make all the three angles of a triangle ABC is equal to the triangle PQR, it means the triangle ABC and triangle PQR is similar. But now if you all think that we have to make all the three angles same, but यहाँ पे सिर्फ AA दो ही बार क्यों लिखा है? Why not the third time? तो रीजन इज दैट अगर आप दो एंगल को सेम करते हो सो बाय डिफॉल्ट थर्ड वन विल गेट सेम बाय द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द एंगल ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. इफ दिस इज 60, this is 80, here also 60 and 80. As we know that the measure of sum of measure of all angle of the triangle will be your 180 degree. चाहे वो किसी भी टाइप का ट्रायंगल हो, the sum of all angle of the triangle will be the 180 only. So if it is 60 80, so 60 80 will be your 140. So what left? 40. Here also 60 80 140, तो left with the 40. तो अगर हम सिर्फ इन दोनों एंगल को ही सेम दिखा देते, एंगल A को P से, एंगल B को Q से, तो इसका इनडायरेक्ट मीनिंग ये है कि आपका एंगल C और एंगल R आपस में इक्वल ही है बाय द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द एंगल ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. क्योंकि आपके दो एंगल सेम है, इट मींस आपका थर्ड एंगल ऑफ द ट्रायंगल सेम होना इट इज अ कंपल्सरी. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर टेकिंग द नेम ओनली AA. मींस if we have to prove the two triangle as a similar, तीनों एंगल को सेम दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है. if we will show two angle only same, then also it will be okay, it will be considered, and that test is known as your AA test. Second is your SSS, and SSS means your side side side. And what I told in terms of the sides, क्या आपको साइड्स को सेम दिखाना है? नहीं, आपको साइड्स के रेशियो को सेम दिखाना है. इट मींस वी हैव टू शो दैट द रेशियो ऑफ द साइड ऑफ द टू ट्रायंगल विल बी इक्वल. सपोज इफ आई एम हैविंग द ट्रायंगल, टू ट्रायंगल LMN एंड PQR, तो मुझे LM को PQ के MN को QR को इक्वल शो नहीं करना. व्हाट वी हैव टू शो, वी हैव टू शो द रेशियो ऑफ द ट्रायंगल इक्वल. इट मींस LM अपॉन PQ is equal to MN upon QR is equal to LN upon PR. We have to just consider that, we have to just remember that वी हैव टू टेक द करेस्पॉन्डिंग साइड. जैसे LM के लिए वी कैन नॉट टेक द QR, LM के लिए वी कैन नॉट टेक द PR. LM शुड बी टेकन बाय द ओनली PQ. LM को PQ को बेस से MN QR and for LN it will be the PR. We have to take the corresponding sides. So in your SSS test, what we have to do? If we will make the three sides of the ratios are same, it means your triangles are similar. Now your third one is SAS test. SAS test means side angle side. साइड को क्या करना रहता है, उनके रेशियो को सेम करना रहता है, एंगल्स को एग्जैक्टली इक्वल. इट मीन्स इफ इन टू ट्रायंगल द टू साइड्स के रेशियो एंड वन एंगल सेम है, तो इट मीन्स दैट ट्रायंगल इज सिमिलर विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर SAS टेस्ट. लेट अस डिस्कस ईच एंड एवरीथिंग वंस अगेन. So till now we have learned how to make two triangle similar. We are having the three methods. अगर दो ट्रायंगल को आपस में सिमिलर प्रूव करना है तो we are having the three methods. First one AA टेस्ट. उन दोनों ट्रायंगल के अंदर के दो एंगल you all have to make equal. Just remember that whenever we are talking about the angle, it should be equal, and whenever we are talking about the side, their ratio should be equal, not side should be equal. Side के टर्म में उनका रेशियो इक्वल होना जरूरी है. तो your first test was AA test. AA test means आपको दोनों ट्रायंगल के अंदर के दो एंगल को सेम करना है. If we will get the two angles of the both the triangle equal, it means both the triangles are similar by AA test. Second one is your SSS test. It means when we will get all the three ratio of the sides of both the triangles are same. When we will get all the three ratio of the sides of the triangle will be the same, it means your triangles are similar by SSS test. And third one is your SAS test. As its name only says that दो sides और एक एंगल चाहिए. It means sides. It means we want that one pair means two ratio of the sides of the triangle and one angle should be equal. Then also be the your triangles are similar by your SAS test. So based on this test of the similarity, let us move to your practice set 1.3. Before moving to the solution of your practice set 1.3, once again I want to clear that whenever we have to make two triangles similar, we are having the two ways. First is via angle and second is via your side. Whenever we are going through the angle, it means we have to make the two angles same. We have to make any two angles same. अगर दोनों ट्रायंगल के कोई भी दो एंगल को हमने सेम कर दिया, it means both the triangles are similar. If we are going by the your angles, only two angles. If we are going by the sides, अगर हम साइड के थ्रू जा रहे हैं तो we have to make the three ratio of the sides similar, three ratio of the sides equal to each other. Then only we can say that both the triangles are similar. एंगल है तो दो एंगल को सेम दिखाना है और साइड्स है तो तीन साइड्स के रेशियो को सेम दिखाना है. एंगल में सिर्फ दो ही और साइड्स में तीन. एंगल्स में इक्वल दिखाना है, साइड्स में रेशियोस को इक्वल दिखाना है. So with this concept, let us solve the first question of your practice set 1.3. What your question is saying? In figure, angle ABC 75 degree. Angle ABC is your 75 degree. EDC 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar. Here by looking to the figure, we have to say which two triangles are similar. इनमें से इस figure के according कौन से दो triangle similar हैं आपस में? And by which test they are similar, whether by the AA test or SAS test or SAS test. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by proper one-to-one corresponding. It means we have to write the similarity, we have to take the name of the triangle with proper one-to-one correspondence. Proper one-to-one correspondence means एक ट्रायंगल के वर्टेक्स का जो वैल्यू पहले आता है दूसरे ट्रायंगल के भी जो एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू वाला है वर्टेक्स वही पहले जाएगा और जो बीच वाला है बीच वाले में जाएगा. सपोज फॉर अ बिगर ट्रायंगल योर B is 75 डिग्री एंड फॉर ए स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल योर D is 75 डिग्री। तो B की पोजीशन कौन ले रहा है स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल में? D। तो B and D are in the proper 1-to-1 correspondence. So we'll solve this sum. So the question is which two triangles are similar? कौन से दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर हैं? तो as we see we are having the two triangle, एक ट्रायंगल बड़ा वाला और one is the smaller triangle, larger triangle and the smaller triangle. Now here we are with the value of the angle 75 degree and 75 degree. दोनों ट्रायंगल में वैल्यू किस चीज की दिया है? एंगल और साइड एंगल. So we have to go via angle. We have to go via angle. Here angle is given, इसलिए हम लोग एंगल वाली प्रॉपर्टी से जाएंगे. And as I told, whenever we have to prove two triangles similar with the help of the angles, we have to prove two angles. We have to prove two angles same to each other. Then only we can say that both the triangles are similar. So here, which triangles we have to take? Triangle ABC and triangle EDC. In triangle ABC and triangle EDC, as we are with the angle value, it means we have to go by the angle one. तो एंगल में दो एंगल को सेम करना है. तो one is already given, that angle ABC from your bigger triangle, angle ABC is equal to your angle EDC. EDC it is already given. तो एक एंगल तो इक्वल ऑलरेडी दे दिया. We want one more angle. Now if we look at to the bigger triangle, their angle is angle A, angle B, angle C. And if you look at the smaller triangle, your angles are angle E, angle D, angle C. Now angle B is done, angle with a angle D. So your bigger triangle is left with the angle A and angle C. But we don't know the value of the angle A and angle C. And your smaller triangle is left with the angle E and angle C. Again, your bigger triangle, after making the angle B and angle D same, your bigger triangle left with your angle A and angle C. And your smaller triangle left with the angle E and your angle C. If you observe, angle C is repeating in both the triangle. Angle C is repeating in both the triangle. It means whatever value of the angle C will be, it will be for the both the triangle. Suppose if we are having the angle C as a 50 degree, it means in triangle EDC also it is 50 and in triangle ABC also a 50. It means this is the your common angle, and common angle will always be same because वो angle दोनों ट्रायंगल में आ रहा है. मीन्स उसकी जो भी वैल्यू रहेगी वो सेम ही रहेगी दोनों ट्रायंगल के लिए. तो वी कैन से दैट एंगल सी इज द कॉमन. तो फॉर बिगर ट्रायंगल इट इज योर एंगल ACB which is equal to the, for a smaller triangle it will be the DCE. Reason common angle, because it is a common in both the triangle. So common angle. Now we got the two angles same, so we can say that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC. This is your similar sign of the similarity. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC. Now one to one what? Your B75, D75. तो we have kept in between. B की जगह आपका D ही आ रहा है. C was the same, C की जगह C ही आ रहा है. So left with got A and E. So your one to one correspondence is also same. Triangle ABC is similar to the triangle EDC. सब अपनी ही पोजीशन पे है, सेम वाले. ये दोनों आपस में इक्वल थे, ये दोनों आपस में इक्वल थे, तो वेरी ऑब्वियस है ये दोनों भी आपस में इक्वल होंगे. Now we took the test of the angle, so we will write here A test. This way we have solved your question number 1. Once again we will revise that. Here we are given with the one triangle and two value of the angle. For bigger triangle the value of the angle ABC is 75 degree, and for a smaller triangle value of the angle EDC is 75 degree. We have to make the triangle similar. Now which are those triangle which we have to make the similar? Here in figure we are having the two triangle only. The triangles are triangle ABC and triangle EDC. So we took those triangle only. Now we have to prove the similar prove करने के लिए we are having the three methods. हमारे पास तीन तरीके हैं, either AA test या फिर SAS या फिर SSS. तो हियर वी आर विद द एंगल वैल्यू, मतलब एंगल की वैल्यू दी गई थी, इट मींस वी हैव टू गो बाय द एंगल ओनली। तो एंगल वाली आपका टेस्ट कौन सा है, ए, मतलब दो एंगल आपको सेम करने थे। तो वन इज ऑलरेडी गिवन 75, सेकंड एंगल सी वाज द कॉमन, इट मींस वी गॉट द टू एंगल एज द सेम, सो वी कैन से दैट योर ट्रायंगल ABC is similar to triangle EDC with your proper correspondence, proper one-to-one correspondence. I hope you all have understood this question number 1. Now we will move to the question number 2. Are the triangles in figure are similar? It means we have to state that whether these two triangle PQR and triangle LMN are similar or not. If yes, if they are similar, then by which test? It means in this sum we have to prove that triangle PQR is similar to triangle LMN, and if yes, then by which test? So if you observe the triangles, which values are given to us? It means एंगल की वैल्यू दी है या फिर साइड्स की वैल्यू दी है। इफ वी आर विद द एंगल वैल्यू, इट मींस वी हैव टू गो वाया एंगल वाली प्रॉपर्टी। इफ वी आर विद द योर साइड वैल्यू, देन वी हैव टू गो वाया साइड वाली प्रॉपर्टी। तो इफ यू लुक एट the side PQ, side QR, side PR, side LM, side MN and side LN values are given. It means in this sum all the sides values are given. So it means we have to go via your side property, and what your side property says, अगर दो ट्रायंगल को सिमिलर करना है तो we have to make the ratio of all three sides same. जब आपकी रेशियो ऑफ ऑल थ्री साइड सेम होगी तो ही जाके बोथ द ट्रायंगल विल बी गेटिंग अ सिमिलर, और एल्स दे विल नॉट बी अ सिमिलर. तो इट मींस वी हैव टू फाइंड द रेशियो. इफ द रेशियोज आर सेम, इट मींस ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर. इफ द रेशियोज आर नॉट सेम, इट मींस ट्रायंगल्स आर नॉट सिमिलर. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड द रेशियो फर्स्ट. तो योर PQ will go with your LM. So we will find PQ upon LM, that is 6 upon 3, 6 and 3, after putting the value 6 and 3. So 6 upon 3, 3 2 ja 2. So we got the answer 2. We'll take a equation number 1. Now we'll take a QR with MN. So QR upon MN, it will be your QR is 8, MN is your 4. Now again 4 will cut 8 in 2 times. This will be your equation number 2. Third side is your PR and LN. So your PR upon LN, your PR is 10, your LN is 5. Again 5 2 is 10. So we got the answer 2, your equation number 3. Now if we compare the your equation 1, 2 and 3, each ratio gave the value 2 only. जब हम कंपेयर करते हैं your equation 1, 2, 3 को, तो every ratio gave the same value 2. It means all the ratios are same because all are giving the value 2 only. All are giving the same value. So your all the three ratios are same. So therefore your PQ upon LM is equal to your QR upon MN is equal to your PR upon LN. All three ratios are same. If all three ratios are same, it means your triangles are similar. So we can write triangle PQR is similar to triangle LMN by which test? Side, side, side. Side, side, side test. Again I will say, whenever we have to make two triangles similar, angle दिया है तो एंगल की प्रॉपर्टी लगाना, साइड की वैल्यू दी है तो we have to apply the property of sides, and in the terms of the side we have to make the ratio of the sides same, not side same. साइड को सेम करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ratio of the side we have to make same. So we took the ratio of the sides, like PQ went with the LM, QR went with the MN, and PR went with your LN, and each ratio gave the value 2 only. It means each ratio of the both the triangles are same. If the ratios are same, it means your triangles are similar, and the property was SSS test. I hope you all have understood this question number 2. Now we will move to the question number 3. Let us see what your question 3 is saying. As shown in the figure, one figure is given to us. Two poles of height, it means we are having the two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter, of height 8 meter and 4 meter. It means there are the two poles of the height 8 meter and 4 meter. It means your AC and your PR are the two poles are perpendicular to the ground. So both the poles are the perpendicular to the ground. It means they are on the same ground and they are making the 90 degree. Why? Because they are at the perpendicular to the ground. if the length of shadow, if the length of shadow, if the length of shadow of a smaller pole, if the length of shadow of the smaller pole due to the sunlight is 6 meter, means the shadow of the your first pole due to the sunlight is your 6 meter. It means QR is the shadow of your PR. Then how long will be the shadow of, then how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time? Means at the same time when your 4 meter pole is giving the shadow of the 6 meter, then your 8 meter pole will give the shadow of the how long, that we have to find. Here if we see, we are having the two poles PR and AC. They are perpendicular on the ground. It means they are making the 90 degree, and a sunlight is coming on the both the pole. It means sunlight is coming at the same height. It means sunlight will come from the same direction. They will cast the same proportion shadow. वो एक ही प्रोपोर्शन में शैडो को कास्ट करेगी. इट विल बी नॉट लाइक दैट कि एक शैडो इस साइड जाए एक शैडो उस साइड जाए. इट मींस एट द सेम टाइम एट द फ्रॉम द सेम डायरेक्शन इफ द सनलाइट इज कमिंग, सो व्हाटएवर द पोल इज वो एक सेम प्रोपोर्शन में ही आपकी शैडो को कास्ट करेगी. इट मींस वो सिमिलर शैडो ही कास्ट करेगी. सो बाय डिफॉल्ट दिस योर फिगर्स आर सिमिलर टू ईच अदर. देन जिसमें से हमको एक शैडो की लेंथ दी गई है, दूसरे शैडो की लेंथ वी हैव टू find. First we will write what is given to us, what we have to find, then we will move ahead. So we are given with the two poles PR and AC are two poles, and your QR and BC are shadows of pole PR and pole AC respectively. It means your QR is the shadow of PR and BC is the shadow of the AC, and we have to find the your value of the BC. Sorry, we have to find the your BC. I will start the solving. As I told, at the same time from the same direction sunlight is coming. It means they will cast the shadow in the same proportion. It means same direction, same angle, and already poles are the perpendicular on the ground. They are making the 90 degree. It means here the angles are same. So these two figures will be the similar to each other. So we can directly write as the your triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC. As sunlight cast shadow of both pole in same proportion at the same time. एक टाइम पे वो सेम प्रोपोर्शन में ही शैडो क्रिएट करेगा. सनलाइट का द शैडो ऑफ द बोथ पोल इज सेम प्रोपोर्शन एट द सेम टाइम. इट मींस योर ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर. हियर योर ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर एंड वी आर विद द वैल्यू ऑफ द साइड्स. टिल नाउ वी लर्न how to prove triangle similar. अभी तक क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and 2 में what we learn, how to make the triangle similar. If two angles are same, it means triangles are similar. If the ratio of all the three sides are same, it means your triangles are similar. यहाँ पे उल्टा हो गया है. यहाँ पे आपके triangle similar हो चुके हैं. तो as I told earlier that if your triangle is similar, by default your all three angles are same, or by default your ratio of all three sides are same only. तो here your two triangles are similar. It means उसकी जो साइड्स के रेशियो हैं और उसके जो एंगल्स हैं वो सारे आपस में क्या होंगे, इक्वल होंगे. बट हियर इज नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ द एंगल. एंगल न दिया है न तो एंगल की वैल्यू निकालनी है. तो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू द एंगल, वी विल मूव टू द योर साइड्स बिकॉज इट इज आस्किंग फॉर द वैल्यू ऑफ द साइड्स. नाउ द ट्रायंगल PQR is similar to ABC, so it will give the sides का ratio in the same proportion. So we can write as the PQ upon AB will be equal to your QR upon BC will be equal to your PR upon AC. आपके ट्रायंगल सेम है तो वो सेम प्रोपोर्शन देंगे. रीजन corresponding side of similar triangle CSST. Now we will put the value. PQ we don't know, AB we don't know. मतलब ये दोनों नहीं दिया है तो we don't have the work of PQ and AB. इन दोनों की वैल्यू नहीं दिया, इसका काम नहीं है. We don't want this. QR is your 6, BC is X, PR is 4 and AC is your. इससे काम नहीं थे, एक भी वैल्यू नहीं थी तो we remove that. उसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Now we are having the two fraction, we have to cross multiply 6 into 8 and x into 4. Again we have to find the value of the x, so we will shift the 4. 4 was multiplying, it will come, it will divide. So 6 into 8 upon 4 is equal to x. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. Now we will left with the 6 into 2. So 6 2 ja your 12. So x is equal to 12. So this value we got the 12. It means the shadow of the bigger pole AC will be your 12 meter. So we'll write final answer. Therefore, shadow of pole AC will be 12 meter. Here we are given with the two poles which are perpendicular on the ground and they are making the some shadows. Because the sunlight is coming at the same time from the same direction, so they cast the shadow in a same proportion, means by default the figure will be the similar. And once your triangle is similar, we can directly write as the all the angles same and all the ratios are in the same proportion, all the sides are in the same proportion. तो हमको जिस चीज की वैल्यू थी, here we want the sides, so हमने sides की y side we went and we write the all the sides in the same ratio, then we put the value and we got the answer of the your BC, which was your the shadow of the your pole AC. I hope you all have understood this sum. So till now we have learned how to make two triangles similar. Now we'll move to the other variety of the question of your practice set 1.3. Now if you observe your question number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9 of the your practice at 1.3, again I will repeat, if you observe your question 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9, you will find one common thing in each question. If you look at to the properly in each question, your givens are in the terms of the sides, means given में आपको सिर्फ sides की ही वैल्यू दी गई है and in your to find or to prove, जो निकालना है या फिर जो prove करना है, that is also a side. Again I am repeating, in all those questions we are given with the side value and we have to find the side only. वो सारे क्वेश्चन ऐसे हैं जिसमें साइड की वैल्यू कुछ न कुछ साइड की वैल्यू एंड साइड्स के रिलेशन दिए हैं and we have to find और we have to prove in the terms of side only. It means वहाँ पे पूरे के पूरे क्वेश्चन में कहीं भी एंगल की बात नहीं की गई है. तो हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन? This type of the question can be asked in your board exam. There is not a proper method or exact method to solve this kind of the question, but we are having the one solution for that. It's not a general method, but as per my experience I can say that whenever this type of the question will come, what you have to do, you have to take any two triangles from the figure. Okay, you have to take any two triangles from the figure, then you have to make them similar by using AA test. So compulsorily I am saying the AA test. आपको दो ट्रायंगल लेना है, दोनों को सिमिलर प्रूव करना है by AA test. Compulsorily AA test से ही प्रूव करना है. After proving the similar by the AA test, you have to write the all the ratio as the triangles will get similar. So we can write by using the your corresponding side of the similar triangle. CSST से हम उनके रेशियो को सारे को इक्वल लिख सकते हैं एक दूसरे से. When we will write their ratio, then we have to put the value and we will automatically get the answer. If you observe again your question number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9, कहीं पे आपको वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, कहीं पे आपको साइड्स को पैरेलल करना है, कहीं पे स्क्वायर दिया है, कहीं पे आंसर में आपको प्रोडक्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन के फॉर्म में आंसर चाहिए. क्वेश्चंस आर हैविंग द वैरायटीज. हर बार आपको टू फाइंड में जो है या टू प्रूव में अलग अलग चीजें हैं, बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, आपको जो गिवन है वो भी साइड के टर्म में है और जो आपको प्रूव करना है, चाहे वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर्म में प्रूव करना है, चाहे पैरेलल करना है, चाहे आपको स्क्वायर फॉर्म में करना है या फिर वैल्यू क्यों ना फाइंड करनी है, वो साइड के टर्म में. तो जब भी वी आर गेटिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू फर्स्ट मेक द ट्रायंगल सिमिलर. वी हैव टू टेक एनी टू ट्रायंगल एंड वी हैव टू मेक द ट्रायंगल सिमिलर बाय AA test. Then you have to write the ratio, then we have to put the value and we will definitely get the answer. First step, we have to take two triangles and we have to make similar by the AA test. Second step, you have to write the ratios. Third, you have to put the value. So we'll start solving your question one by one. So first we will move to the your question number 4. If you look at what I was saying, your AP, BC, BQ, AC, all are the sides. Again, AP 7, BQ is 8, BC is 8. Means here in whole question we are only talking about the side. कहीं भी आपको एंगल की वैल्यू न तो दी है न तो एंगल की वैल्यू पूछी गई है. तो दिस होल क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट द साइड एंड साइड ओनली. तो व्हाट आई टोल्ड, हाउ टू सॉल्व. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू टेक द एनी टू ट्रायंगल एंड वी हैव टू मेक similar by AA test. Then we have to write the ratio. After that we have to put the value. Automatically we will get the answer. So we'll start solving. So we'll see this question. In triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular to the BC. AP is perpendicular to the BC. Perpendicular means it is making a 90 degree. BQ is perpendicular to AC. BQ is perpendicular to the AC. BQ is also perpendicular. Here we are making, it is making a 90 degree. B dash P dash C, B P C are in the same line. A Q C again, A dash Q dash C, it means A Q C are in the same line. Then prove that triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. We have to prove triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. तो यहाँ पे कौन सा ट्रायंगल लेना है वो क्वेश्चन ने ऑलरेडी खुद ही बता दिया है. That we have to take the triangle CPA and triangle CQB. As I told, दो ट्रायंगल लेना है, कोई भी दो ट्रायंगल लेना है आपको AA टेस्ट से उसको सिमिलर करना है, फिर रेशियो लिखना है. देन वी हैव टू पुट द वैल्यू. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नहीं बोल दिया कि इन दोनों ट्रायंगल को सिमिलर करना है. इट मींस वी नो नाउ कौन कौन से ट्रायंगल लेने हैं. CPA एंड CQB. CPA ये वाला और CQB ये वाला ट्रायंगल लेना है. देन वी आर विद द वैल्यू ऑफ AP is equal to 7. AP is equal to 7. This is 7. BQ is 8. Your BQ is 8 and your BC is 12. Then we have to find the AC. So we'll move step by step. First, as I told, first we have to take any two triangles, then we have to make them a similar. तो यहाँ पे ट्रायंगल कौन कौन सा लेना है, CPA and CQB. In triangle CPA and triangle CQB, what I told, दोनों ट्रायंगल लेको you have to make a similar by AA test. Compulsorily AA test. दोनों को AA test से करना है, मतलब आप लोगों को कोई भी दो एंगल को सेम दिखाना है. When we look at to the triangle CPA, where is your triangle CPA? CPA means we are talking about this triangle CPA. Then CQB, we are talking about the this triangle. तो if you observe, एक तो पहले ही आपको 90 दिख जा रहा है, means ये तो सेम ही है आपका. तो in your CPA, its name is the APC. आपका 90 डिग्री वाले एंगल का नाम क्या है, APC या फिर CPA, जो भी आप लिख सको. तो it will be your angle CPA is equal to your angle CQB. Angle CQB. Region each 90 degree. दोनों 90 के दिख रहे हैं तो वो सेम ही होंगे. Again, which triangle we have to take? एक ये वाला लेना है और एक ये वाला लेना है. ओके और दोनों में A टेस्ट से करना है, मतलब वी हैव टू मेक द टू ट्रायंगल इक्वल, जिसमें से ऑलरेडी ये पहले ही 90 दिख रहे हैं. तो ये वाला इट इज कमिंग इन दिस ट्रायंगल CQB में एंगल CQB और इसमें एंगल CPA. रीजन इज ईच 90 डिग्री. नाउ वी वांट वन मोर एंगल. सो इफ यू लुक एट टू द CPA में आपका P ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, P को हमने ले लिया. तो वी हैव लेफ्ट विद द एंगल A एंड एंगल C. एंगल A एंड एंगल C. And here in a downside triangle CQB में आपका Q हो चुका है. तो we have left with the angle B and angle C. Again I'll repeat. इसमें आपका बड़े वाले ये वाले ट्रायंगल CPA में P हो चुका है, बचा क्या आपका A and C. And CQB में we have done with the Q. So we have left with the B and C. So if you observe, angle C is the common in both the triangle. Angle C जो है वो दोनों में common है. It means whatever the value of the C is, whether it's a 50 degree or 100 degree or 105 degree or 30 degree, वो दोनों के लिए same जाएगा. It is a common angle, so that will be also a same among itself only. तो इसके लिए इस ट्रायंगल के लिए इसका नाम will be PCA या फिर ACP, whichever you want to write. So we will write angle ACP is equal to, अब इसके लिए नाम BCQ. Region will be common angle. Angle C was the common. So for triangle ACPA, the name is ACP, and for the triangle CQB, it can be a BCQ or QCB. क्या है, common है. तो we got the two angles same. So we can write as the triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB by AA test. Then what I told, आई हैव टोल्ड द 3 स्टेप. फर्स्ट आपको ए एंगल से सिमिलर करना है, देन यू हैव टू राइट द रेशियो, देन यू हैव टू पुट द वैल्यूज. तो वी हैव टू राइट द रेशियो. Ratio it will be CP upon CQ. So we will start writing CP upon CQ is equal to PA upon QB. PA upon QB is equal to CA upon CB. CA upon CB. Again CP CQ PA QB CA CB. Reason will be corresponding side of similar triangle. Now we took the ratio, we have to put the value. CP we don't know, CQ also don't know. तो as I told, जिसकी दोनों वैल्यू नहीं पता रहेगा we have to remove. इसका काम ही नहीं है, इसको हटा लेना है. Now PA we are with the 7, AP PA are the same. It is a 7 upon QB BQ, that is 8. CA that we have to find. CB BC are the same, it will be the 12. ये हमने क्यों नहीं लिया? बिकॉज इसकी दोनों वैल्यू नहीं देखी थी. वी डोंट वांट दिस, तो वी रिमूव. PA means AP is 7, QB means BQ is your 8, CA means AC we have to find only, and BC CB was your 12. Now we are having the two fraction, we have to cross multiply. Now 7 will multiply with the 12 is equal to 8 into CA. Now again I have to find the value of the CA, so it will be coming to the left hand side. So 7 into 12, it was multiplying, it will come, it will divide. Now it cannot divide the 7, even it cannot divide the 12. तो एक ऐसा नंबर ढूंढना है जो दोनों को डिवाइड कर दे. तो 4 2 जा 4 3 जा. Now 2 cannot divide 7, 2 cannot divide 3, so we will directly multiply the numerator. 7 3 जा 21 upon 2 will be the your CA. When we divide the 21 by 2, we will get the 10.5. So your CA is equal to 10.5. CA is nothing but your AC only. So AC is equal to your 10.5. So this way we got the answer. AC is equal to 10.5. Again I will repeat, whenever your given are in the terms of side and your to find are also in the terms of the side, we have to solve in the 3-step method. First you have to make the triangle similar by A test, then you have to write the ratio, then you have to put the value. After putting the value, solve it, it will get automatically solved. I hope you all have understood this question number 4. Now we will move to the question number 5. Let us see. In trapezium PQRS, side PQ is parallel to SR. Side PQ is parallel to SR. AR is equal to 5 AP. Some relation is given. AR is equal to 5 AP. AS is equal to 5 AP. We have to prove that SR is equal to PQ. Again, if we observe what is given to us, side PQ is parallel to side SR. Means sides are given. AR is equal to 5 AP. AR and AP are the side only. AS is equal to 5 AQ. AS and AQ are again side. Prove that, means whatever we have to prove. SR is equal to 5 PQ. Again SR and PQ are the sides. So what I told, whenever you are given and whenever you have to find or to prove is also in the terms of side, it means we have to solve by some special method, and that method says that first we have to take the any two triangle, then we have to make them similar by using AA test, then we have to write the ratio, after that we have to put the value, then we have to solve, it will automatically give the your final answer. So your biggest question is which two triangle we are going to take. If we see 1 2 3 4 triangles we are having, so which two triangles we are going to take, your answer will be inside your question only. What is given to us? AR is equal to 5 AP. AR is equal to 5 AP. So where is your AR? This is your AR. This is your AR. 5 AP. Where is your AP? This is AP, means this and this sides are given. AS is equal to 5 AQ. Where is your AS? This is your AS. 5 AQ. This is your AQ, means this and this sides are talking about. Prove that SR is equal to 5 PQ. Where is SR? ये SR है. It should be equal to 5 PQ. तो हमको ये साइड ये और ये साइड के बारे में बात हो रही है. First AR is equal to 5 AP, AR और AP, then AS is equal to 5 AQ. तो AS और AQ means ये side, and we have to prove that SR is equal to 5 AQ, means ये साइड ये साइड ये साइड ये साइड दिया है और ये साइड प्रूफ करनी है, मीन्स ये इसकी 3 साइड और इसकी 3 साइड के बारे में क्वेश्चन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट। इट मींस विच 2 ट्रायंगल्स वी हैव टू टेक, ये वाला ऊपर वाला ट्रायंगल है, नीचे वाला ट्रायंगल। क्यों? क्योंकि इसके 2 ट्रायंगल sides of the triangles are given and we have to prove for the PQ, and here ये दोनों की वैल्यू और रिलेशन दिया है, we have to prove for the SR. It means we have to take these 2 triangle only. तो we'll take in triangle PAQ and triangle RAS. What we have to do? We have to make them similar by using AA test. मतलब आपको AA test से करना है. It means we have to shoot any 2 angle equal. Now we'll compare this and this. कौन से एंगल इक्वल हो सकते हैं? First, if you see, yes, you can easily get that they are giving the vertically opposite angle. So we can write as the your angle PAQ is equal to angle RAS, reason vertically opposite angle. एक तो हो गया. Again we want one more. Now A is done. यहाँ से भी A इसका हो गया. PAQ के लिए A हो गया, RAS के लिए हो गया. Now here in a given we are with the parallel side, and as I told, if the lines are parallel then your corresponding angles are same, your alternate angles are same, your interiors are making the 180. तो यहाँ पे देखते हैं किस टाइप का एंगल्स है. अभी ये P के लिए corresponding तो कोई नहीं है, but yes, for P we are having the alternate means zigzag, they are making the Z. For P we are having the alternate angle R. तो from PAQ में से हम P ले सकते हैं और RAS में से we can take a R, or else Q भी alternate angle बना रहा है S से, तो we can take any. We don't want all 3, हमको 2 ही चाहिए. एक already we have taken, हम कोई भी एक ले लेते हैं. Suppose we'll take a P only. तो for this triangle the name will be APQ, और यहाँ से नाम P का alternate कौन है? R, इस साइड. तो it will be the ARS is an alternate angle. Now we got the 2 angle. It means these 2 triangles are similar. So we'll write the name with a 1-to-1 correspondence properly. P की पोजीशन कौन ले रहा है यहाँ पे? P की जगह कौन है? R. A की जगह तो A ही आया, और जो लेफ्ट है Q की जगह S. तो PQ with the triangle RAS is an your AA test. You have to write the triangle name very carefully. अगर आपका triangle name बराबर नहीं रहेगा तो आप जब रेशियो लिखोगे तो you will get a wrong ratio. इसलिए आपको 1-to-1 correspondence देखना है. That's why I saw P की पोजीशन पे यहाँ पे कौन है? R. A की पोजीशन पे तो A ही है. Q के लिए कौन है? S. तो PAQ is similar to triangle RAS. Now what I told, एक बार alternate angle test से similar proof करने के बाद you have to take ratio, then we have to put the value. Now we will take a ratio. So it will be the your PA मतलब AP, यहाँ से आ जाएगा AR is equal to AP AR is equal to AQ upon AS is equal to PQ upon RS है. We can write the SR क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में SR बोला गया. Again we'll take PA means AP, यहाँ से RA AR, PA RA means AP AR, AQ के साथ AS, now PQ के साथ SR, reason corresponding side of similar triangle. Now what we have to do, हमने सिमिलर पे प्रूव कर दिया, रेशियो लिख दिया, we have to put the value. अब किसकी वैल्यू दी गई है? AR की एंड AS की. वेरी जो AR की दी है, AS की दी है, एंड AP AQ. So we'll put the value. AP we don't know, AP वैसे ही है. AR की वैल्यू है 5AP is equal to AQ नहीं दिया है. AS is given 5AQ and here PQ upon SR. AP कहीं नहीं दिया था. AR की वैल्यू है 5AP, तो we have written the 5AP. Again AQ नहीं दिया है. AS की वैल्यू 5AQ, तो I have written that. Then PQ and SR. तो AP can cut. Here AQ can cut. So it will left with the 1/5. If nothing is there, it means 1/5. यहाँ से भी 1/5 is equal to PQ upon SR. तो 1/5 is equal to 1/5 is equal to PQ upon SR. तो ये 1/5 में से कोई भी एक ले लेते हैं. it will be the 1/5 is equal to PQ upon SR. So what we have to do, we have to cross multiply. So SR into 1 SR only, and 5 into PQ, it will be the 5 PQ. So that only we have to prove. So we have proved. Again we'll see what I told. Whenever you're given and your to prove are in the terms of the side, you have to take the any two triangle as per your question. उसके बाद that you have to prove similar with the help of the AA test. Then you have to take the ratio. Then you have to put the value. तो जब हमने ऑब्जर्व किया तो इसकी तीन साइड और इसकी तीन साइड के बारे में बात हो रही थी. तो वी टुक दिस ट्रायंगल एंड दिस ट्रायंगल, then we make them similar by one was the your opposite angle and second was the your alternate angle. After making the triangle similar by the AA test, we put in the terms of ratio, then we put the value and we got the final answer. I hope you all have understood this question number 5. Now we'll see your question number 6. Let us see what your question number 6 is saying. In trapezium ABCD, again we are given with the one trapezium name ABCD. Side AB is parallel to DC. Side AB is parallel to side DC. Diagonal AC and BD intersect in point O. They are intersecting in point O. If AB is equal to 20, your AB is 20, DC is 6, your DC is 6, OB is 15, then find the OD, means this we have to find. Again, if you observe this question, again whatever is given to us, AB, DC, AC, BD, AB, DC, OB, all are the side, and what we have to find, OD, that is also a side. So what I told, whenever is your given and to prove, to find are in the terms of side, we have to solve by the method. First we have to prove the similar by AA test, then you have to take the ratio, then we have to put the value. So we'll start by solving. First we have to make the two triangle similar. So your question, which two triangle? Side AB is parallel to the DC, AC and DC. Which values are given? AB is equal to 20. Where is your AB? This is AB. DC is 6. This is your DC. OB is 15. OB is 15. मतलब यहाँ पे ये साइड और ये साइड दिया है, मीन्स इस ट्रायंगल की बात हो रही है. Find the OD. We have to find this. मीन्स ये दिया है, मीन्स ये ट्रायंगल लेना है, ये दिया है और ये निकालना, मीन्स ये ट्रायंगल लेना है. Again in this question also we have to take the up and down triangle only, because आपके given और आपके टू फाइंड से पता चलता है कौन सा ट्रायंगल लेना है. ये वैल्यू दिया था, ये निकालना है, मीन्स इन दोनों ट्रायंगल की ही बात हो रही है. तो we'll take the triangle OCD and OAB. आप नाम कैसे भी लिख सकते हो. So we'll write the angle OCD and triangle OAB. We have to prove by the AA test. It is a trapezium. It is similar like your question number 5. एक आपका vertically opposite हो जाएगा और एक आपका alternate में आ जाएगा. तो we can take angle vertically opposite के लिए इसके लिए नाम COD और इसके लिए नाम AOB. COD is equal to angle AOB, region vertically opposite angle. दूसरा एक alternate लेना है. C का A से दिखा सकते हैं, D का B से भी दिखा सकते हो, whatever you want, because already your AB is parallel to your DC. ये दोनों लाइन पैरेलल है तो उनके बीच में आने वाले सारे Z sign will be the your alternate only. तो I can take C with a A, यहाँ से C, यहाँ से A, और I can take a D and B, whichever you want. तो I'm taking the C वाला, तो I'll write the OCD, angle OCD. यहाँ से क्या नाम जाएगा इसके लिए, OAB. रिमेंबर दैट ऑल्टरनेट एंगल zigzag बनाता है, उस साइड है तो दूसरा इस साइड, C गया है तो A इस साइड, तो OAB, एंगल OAB, रीजन ऑल्टरनेट एंगल. हो गए हमारे दो एंगल. तो वी कैन राइट ट्रायंगल OCD इज सिमिलर टू, नाउ केयरफुली, O की जगह O ही है, तो ट्रायंगल O. C पे कौन सा ले रहे हैं हम, A ले रहे हैं, तो C की जगह A, तो व्हाट लेफ्ट योर B ओनली. ट्रायंगल OCD इज सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल OAB. AA टेस्ट हो गया हमारा AA टेस्ट से प्रूफ. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू टेक, रेशियो OC, OA, CD, AB, OD, OB. तो विल टेक अ OC अपॉन OA इज इक्वल टू CD upon AB is equal to OD upon OB. Reason, corresponding side of similar triangle, corresponding sides of similar triangle, CSST. Now put the value. OC, we don't know OC. OA, we don't know OA, मतलब इसको छोड़ देना है. CD we have a 6. CD DC are the same. CD we have a 6. AB 20 is equal to OD we have to find, so we have to take. OB is 15. इसकी दोनों वैल्यू नहीं दी गई थी, so we left that. CD is your 6, AB is your 20, OD we have to find, and OB is your 15. Now we are having the two fraction, we have to cross multiply. So it will be your 6 into 15 is equal to your 20 into OD. 6 into 15, 20 into OD. Again we have to find the OD, so we will shift that 20. 20 was the multiplying, it will come, it will divide. 6 into 15 upon 20. किसके टेबल में आएंगे? 5 5 3 जा 5 4 जा. Now 4 cannot divide 6, 4 cannot divide 3, but we can take a 2 2 जा 2 3 जा. Again 2 cannot divide 3, even 2 cannot divide 3, these 3 also, so 3 3 जा 9 upon 2 will be the your OD, and when we will divide 9 by 2 we will get a 4.5. so OD is equal to your 4.5. So we got the answer. OD is equal to 4.5. This question is also same like your question number 4 5 6. हमको दो ट्रायंगल लेने हैं, सिमिलर प्रूव करना है, A8 से रेशियो लिखना है, वैल्यू पुट करनी है, we will get the value. I hope you all have understood this question number 6. Now we will see your question number 7. Your question is saying quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram means their opposite side will be parallel. It means BC is parallel to AD and AB is parallel to your DC. Point E is on side BC. Point E is on side BC. Point E is on side BC. Line DE intersect ray AB. Line DE intersect the ray AB at point T. Prove that DE into BE is equal to C into T. It means we are given with a one parallelogram and we have to prove DE into BE is equal to C into T. Again in this question also, whatever is given to us, parallelogram means opposite sides are parallel sides, then it is talking about the side B, C, A, B, they all are the side, means whatever are given to us are the side, and we have to prove D into B is equal to C into T, all are the sides. Again in this question also, given is also in terms of side, whatever we have to prove that is also in the terms of side. So we will solve in the same method, that we have to take the two triangle, we have to make them similar by using A8x, you have to take ratio, then we have to put the your values. So now the question is, which two triangles we have to take? When you observe this figure, you will come to know that we are having the two triangle only. इस figure में दो ही triangle ही है, this triangle and this triangle. So there is no question of selecting the which triangle we are going, which triangle we want. दो ही ट्रायंगल है, इट मीन्स हमको यही दोनों ट्रायंगल लेने हैं. and your triangles are your this one CDE and this one BTE. तो we'll start by taking in triangle, वहाँ से CDE and triangle BTE. Okay, so we have to make them similar by using A8S. A8S means we want to angle. So here if you look at to the figure, एक तो आपका ये vertically opposite से आ जाएगा, तो its name will be your, इसका नाम यहाँ से CED, एंगल CED, और यहाँ से आ जाएगा इसका BET, एंगल BET. रीजन, वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल, वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. नाउ एक और एंगल चाहिए. अभी हियर इट्स अ पैरेललोग्राम, इट मीन दिस टू साइड्स आर पैरेलल. AB is playing the role of your transversal, and here also DT is also playing the role of your transversal. तो इसके ऊपर जो बने हुए alternate angle या फिर corresponding angle होंगे वो भी same होंगे. So corresponding angle, so यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है, alternate angle we can take. If we take the D from here, we can give a T. For this line, D is coming on the right hand side and T is coming to the left hand side. They are making the Z, it means they are the alternate angle. So we can take CDE, एंगल CDE, और यहाँ से क्या नाम देंगे हम लोग, BTE. are same region, alternate angle. So we got the two angles, so we can write the your triangle CDE is similar to triangle. Now C, E की पोजीशन पे कौन आया E, तो E को हम लास्ट में लिखेंगे. D की पोजीशन में कौन आ रहा है T, तो बचा क्या B. So triangle CD is similar to triangle BTE. Now with the help of your AA test, what we have to do? Now we have to write the ratio CD upon BT, D upon TE, C upon BE. So we will write CD upon BT is equal to DE upon TE is equal to CE upon BE, region corresponding side of similar triangle. So let us see which things we want. D we want, B we want, C we want, T we want. मतलब इसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि ये हमारे टू प्रूव में नहीं है, तो we don't want this, तो we'll write this much only. D upon T is equal to C upon B. As we are eliminating the one ratio जिसका काम नहीं होता है, तो if you compare the your two proof CD और BT कहीं रोल नहीं था, तो we remove that. We took the D upon TE is equal to C upon B. Now what we have to do? We have to cross multiply. DE into BE is equal to CE into TE. No values are given. It means this is your final answer. If you look at, we have proved that. What was there in this question? Again, we are having the same type of the question. Given are in terms of the sides. We have to prove in the terms of sides. So we applied the same method. We took the two triangle. We made them similar with the help of AA test. Then we converted them in the ratio form. Then we cross multiply and we got the answer. I hope you all have understood this question number 7. Now we are moving to your question number 9. Your question number 8 I am keeping for you all to do at home. In your question number 8, your question is asking to make the two triangles similar. I hope till now you all have understood how to make the two triangles similar. If it's via the angle, you have to make the angle same. If it's a via the side, you have to make the ratio of the side same. तो as per the your question, you have to see उसमें angle दिया है, side दिया है, फिर angle side दोनों दिया है. Then you have to take, if angle is given, आपको angle को equal दिखाना पड़ेगा. If sides are given, ratio of the sides को आपको equal दिखाना पड़ेगा. Then you have to prove. Still, if you will face any problem in solving your question number 8, you all can ask. We will clear in the next video. Now we will move to your question number 9. Let us see what is given in the figure. In triangle ABC, point D on side BC is such that, ऐसे है वो point की, angle BAC is equal to angle ADC is equal to the angle ADC. आपका BAC is equal to angle ADC है. Prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. CA square is equal to CB into CD. Again, what we have to prove? CA square is equal to CB into CD. They are in the side form. वहाँ पे side मिलता है. Here in this question given में आपको angle का relation दिया है, but to prove में again we have the sides only. So again in this question also we have to try by our own method, where we have to take a two triangle, we have to make them similar by using AA test, then we have to convert them into terms of the ratio, then we have to put the value. Let us start. Solution. So we have to take two triangle. Now we are having the 1, 2 and one bigger 3 triangle, and the question is which two triangle we have to take. So as we know that question will only give the answer कि which two triangle we have to take. So what is the relation? BAC, angle BAC किसका है? एंगल बड़े वाले का, is equal to angle ADC. मतलब एक बड़े वाले ट्रायंगल का रिलेशन बता रहा है ये एंगल ADC, मतलब इस वाले ट्रायंगल से. तो इट मींस वी हैव टू टेक द बिगर ट्रायंगल एंड योर राइट हैंड साइड का ट्रायंगल. तो विल टेक इन ट्रायंगल BAC and triangle ADC. We have to prove them are similar by using AA test. Means we want the two angle. One is already given in the question, so we will write angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. Reason given. So we want just one only. Now look at to the bigger figure. बी ए सी जिसमें से ए हो गया तो लेफ्ट विद द बी एंड सी. इन ट्रायंगल ए डी सी आपका ये डी हो गया, बचा के आपका ए एंड सी. हियर बी ए सी में ये हो गया तो वी लेफ्ट विद द बी एंड सी, वी लेफ्ट विद द बी एंड सी. एंड इन ए डी सी, this ADC is done, so you left with the A and C. So if you observe, angle C is repeating in both the triangle. It means angle C is the common between both. So whatever the value of the C will be, 50 degree, 100 degree, 30 degree, will be the same for both the triangle. Common angle है तो वो same ही होगा. So for a bigger triangle, we'll give the name ACB. उस triangle के according नाम देंगे तो angle ACB और is equal to इस triangle के according ACD, angle ACD, region common angle. C was the common, दो triangles है कौन से, बड़े वाले और ये right hand side वाला. So for bigger triangle the name will be the ACB, and for a smaller one it will be the ACD, region is common angle. Now we made the two angles same, so we can easily write triangle BAC is similar to triangle ADC, region AA dash. Now what is your next step? We have to convert in the ratio form. So here BA upon AD is equal to AC means CA only is equal to DC means CD. Here in the question is given CA, CB, CD, that's why I am writing the C prior. तो BA upon AD, AC को मैंने CA लिख दिया, DC को CD. AC upon DC है जिसको मैंने लिखा CA upon CD. The last one is BC means CB और AC means CA. Again BA upon AD, AC upon DC, AC upon DC, AC upon DC. C को मैंने पहले इसलिए लिखा है because your question is demanding that C को पहले लिखना है. Then your BC and AC, BC and AC, region corresponding side of similar triangle. आप इसको AC, BC, DC भी लिख के सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, नाम कैसे भी आगे पीछे हम लिख सकते हैं. So now see which thing we want and which don't want. BA, AD means इस रेशियो की हमको जरूरत नहीं है. BA और AD कहीं भी टू प्रूव में काम नहीं आ रहा, तो we just want this one only. तो it will be the CA upon CD is equal to CB upon CA. नो वैल्यूज आर गिवन तो आपस में ही क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे. तो CA इंटू CA इंटू CA is equal to CB into CD. Now CA into CA will be the CA square is equal to CB into CD, and this only we have to prove. CA square equal to CB into CD. So in this question also we have to go with our own method where we have taken the bigger triangle and your right hand side triangle, because in question the relationship was given for the angle BAC and angle ADC. Angle BAC बड़े वाले triangle का angle था और angle ADC आपके right hand side वाले triangle का angle था. So we took the bigger triangle and the right hand side triangle, then we made them similar using the AA test. Then as our rule says that we have to convert them into the ratio, then we converted them into the ratio. Then we have written, we have eliminated the ratio which we don't want, as we don't have the any value तो हमने सिर्फ उस ratio को लिखा और we did the cross multiplication. This way we got the answer. I hope you all have understood this question number 9 also. So today we have learned two different variety of the concept. First, where we have to prove whether the given two triangles are the similar or not. For that we are having the three tests: angle test, AA test, side angle side test, that is SAS, side test, that is your SSS test. In angle test हमको क्या करना रहता है? We have to make any two angle equal. If we are able to make any two angle equal, it means both the triangles are similar by your AA test. In SAS test, what we have to do? We have to make the ratio of the two sides and one angle same. If we are able to do that, it means your triangles are similar. In SSS test, what we have to do? We have to make the all the three ratio of the sides equal. If we are able to do that, all the three ratio of the sides equal, it means your both the triangles are similar by your SS test. In converse way, we can say that if the two triangles are similar, it means that all the three angles are equal and all the three ratio of the sides are also equal. Then we learn the different concept where in the question your data your given are in the form of the sides, and to find also in the terms of the side, where we use our own method. That method was, first we have to take the any two triangle as per your question. We have to make them similar by using the AA test, compulsorily AA test. Then we have to write in the ratio form, then we have to put the value, then we have to solve, then automatically we will get the answer. I hope you all have understood both the concept and whole practice at 1.3. Still, if you are having any doubt, any query, anything, you all can ask. We will clear in the next video.